everyone, today's story is Slip and Slide. Author Naresh R. Illustrator Isaac Jurgen. Siravon Cutting. Publisher Pratham Books. A level 3 story. Look, it snowed last night. As the sun rises, 7 sisters wake up in their house. Come, let's play, Parvati says. Are we going to slide down the slope? Chia asks. Yes, yells Resam. Parvati is first. She sits on her snowboard. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Parvati pushes with her hands. She slides smoothly down the slope. Whee! She shouts, giggling. Resam and Chia are next. Chia looks nervous. Come with me, says Resam. They hold hands and walk downhill. They count their steps. Their shoes leave prints in the snow. As you can see in the illustration, Uttara is fourth. She looks down at her sisters. She is not afraid. She crawls carefully down the slope on her hands and knees. Very good, says Parvati. Someday you'll climb high mountains, Uttara. Purva is fifth. She tumbles and rolls like a snowball all the way down the slope. It is a funny sight and the girls laugh. Varsha is sixth. She lies on her stomach and slowly slides down the slope. As you can look at her in the picture, suddenly the sky grows dark and it turns windy. There's a storm coming. Girls, come back inside. Mama shouts. Uttara is scared. She tries to crawl up the slope but keeps sliding back down. I want to go to Mama, she cries. Purva runs uphill. Her feet sink in. She can't climb higher. She's stuck. Purva is also in trouble. Resam and Chia try to climb up as well, but they both come sliding down. Oh no! What will they do now? Oh my God! All of them are getting into so many troubles. Ritya is at the top of the slope. She is the eldest. Wait, she yells. She runs into the house and brings back a long rope. She tries one end to a tree. She throws the other end to her sisters. Being elder, she is much sensible and she is helping her sisters. Uttara, she shouts, don't be scared. Hold on tight to the rope. I'll pull you up. Uttara grips the rope tightly. Nritya pulls her to the top. One by one, the rest of the sisters make their way up. Phew, says Parvati. We made it. The 7 sisters run into their house just as it starts to snow again. Mama pours them all hot tea from a kettle. What an adventure they have had today. And they had hot tea and felt cozy in their homes. Why do we slip? The 7 sisters in the story slid down and climbed up a slope. They walked, they slid, they crawled, and they rolled. There is something between your body and the ground that gives you the ability to walk. This is called friction. Without friction, you would not be able to stand for long or even walk. When there is not enough friction between our body and the ground, we slip and slide. So this is the reason why we slip and slide. There is not much friction between our body and the ground. Did you know that words such as grip, slip and slide are related to friction? Match these words to what the girls are doing in the picture. So okay, let's find out the first girl holding a rope. I think you guessed it right. It is Grip. Now the girl towards the right with an orange sweater. Can you guess what's she doing? She has got Slip. Yes. And the girl with the green sweater is Sliding. Thank you, children.